Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to display an alert in native macOS application with Swift. So let's get started. So here you can see I have one button, and on click of it I'm able to display an alert. So I'll just click on OK, and here you can see OK was clicked. If I click on cancel, here you can see cancel was clicked. Now there are different styles of alert. So here I was displaying a warning style. I'll show you the entire code in a bit, but here I'll just change the style to, I guess, critical. And if I run the application again, you will be presented with a critical alert style. I mean, it is more or less the same, just the way it is shown. So here you can see this is an critical alert style, and there is, I think, one more. So critical warning I have shown you, and here is informational as well. So I'll just show you that. So now if I click on show alert, here you can see this is the alert. So anyway, so let's see how to do this. So firstly, I have created a native macOS application with Swift using Xcode, and here is our view controller. I am using AppKit, but if you want, you can use Swift UI as well. And inside view.load, all I have done is that I have just created one NS button, and here we have assigned one click listener to our button as well, and I have just added some NS layout constraint show our button. And on click of the button, we are creating an NSAlert. This is the message text, informative text. Change the style to whatever you want. Okay, I think I have used the alert style twice, so yeah, you can use it only once. And then here I have added two buttons, OK and cancel. Change it to however you feel like. And here we just call alert.run model, and once any of the button is clicked, like if the OK button is clicked, then we get over here. So I'm just printing it to the console. Similarly for cancel button as well. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.